What if I told you there's a simple herbal tea that could replace 3 common medications, and chances are, no doctor will ever mention it to you? It might sound unbelievable, but the truth is, nature has always provided powerful remedies long before pharmaceutical drugs existed. The problem is, most people have no idea that something as ordinary as a cup of tea can support their health in ways that rival modern medicine. Today, I'm going to reveal one herbal tea that has been studied for centuries, used in traditional medicine, and proven to have powerful effects on your blood pressure, blood sugar, and stress levels, 3 of the biggest health problems people face today. The tea I'm talking about is hibiscus tea. Bright red, tangy, and refreshing, hibiscus tea isn't just a delicious drink. It's a natural powerhouse that can support your health in ways most people only dream of. Let's break it down. First, hibiscus tea is known to lower blood pressure naturally. In fact, clinical studies have shown that drinking just 2 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily can be as effective as some prescription blood pressure medications, without the side effects. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is often called the silent killer because it damages your heart, arteries, and kidneys without obvious symptoms. Millions of people take medications every single day to keep it under control. But something as simple as drinking hibiscus tea can relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce strain on the heart. Imagine replacing one medication just by sipping a tea you enjoy. Second, hibiscus tea helps regulate blood sugar. That's right, this herbal remedy has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood glucose. With type 2 diabetes and prediabetes affecting more and more people worldwide, this benefit is life-changing. Many people are prescribed drugs to control their blood sugar, but hibiscus tea can be a natural tool that works with your body instead of against it. By keeping blood sugar levels steady, it helps prevent energy crashes, mood swings, and long-term damage to organs. That's a second medication replaced, just by drinking this crimson tea. And third, hibiscus tea is a powerful stress and cholesterol reducer. Stress is a hidden factor behind so many health issues, from anxiety and depression to heart disease. Hibiscus contains antioxidants and compounds that calm the nervous system, reduce stress hormones, and promote relaxation. At the same time, research shows hibiscus can help lower bad cholesterol and triglycerides, protecting your arteries from clogging and your heart from future problems. That's like replacing a third medication, one for stress or cholesterol, all from a simple herbal infusion. Now, you might be wondering, if this tea is so powerful, why don't doctors recommend it? The answer is complicated. The pharmaceutical industry makes billions every year selling blood pressure drugs, diabetes medications, and cholesterol pills. A natural, inexpensive remedy that you can grow in your backyard or buy for a few dollars doesn't make them money. That's why most people never hear about it. But history tells us a different story. For centuries, hibiscus has been used in traditional medicine across Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. It was never just a drink, it was a healing tool. The good news is, hibiscus tea is widely available today. You can find it in most supermarkets, health stores, or even online. It's safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, like any powerful remedy, it should be used wisely. If you're already on medication for blood pressure or diabetes, check with your doctor before adding hibiscus tea to your daily routine, because it may enhance the effects of your medication. That's how powerful it is. So how do you make it? It's simple. Take dried hibiscus petals, steep them in hot water for about 10 minutes, and enjoy. You can drink it warm, or chill it for a refreshing iced tea. Some people add a little lemon or cinnamon for extra flavor and health benefits. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily, and you'll be giving your body one of the best gifts nature has to offer. Here's the bottom line, one herbal tea really can replace 3 medications. Hibiscus tea lowers blood pressure, regulates blood sugar, reduces stress, and protects your heart. It's a secret nature has been offering us for centuries, but one that modern medicine rarely talks about. Instead of relying only on pills with long lists of side effects, why not let your daily cup of tea be your medicine? At the end of the day, your health is in your hands. Every choice you make either moves you closer to healing or further into sickness. Hibiscus tea is more than a drink, it's a natural tool to help you take control of your health, one sip at a time. If this video opened your eyes, give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving health awareness content.